Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a warning to Apple users. If you are using a Mac computer, if you are going on the web, more and more people, according to Malwarebytes security team and several other security researchers, there's an increase in the number of malware being actually installed on Mac computers, and it comes through a fake update that is like this. So you're on the web and you might go to a website. And remember, when I tell you that, be careful not to go to shady websites. These are usually the websites where this is going to happen. But apparently, some people are going to websites where this is happening, as there's an increase in reports of malware for Mac computers. So it comes in the form of what looks like a Safari update. And of course, because it does look like a Safari update, and it even actually tries to imitate, like basically the Apple website in the best way it can, some people are actually falling for this. Remember, updates for Safari, for your Mac, come through the system itself. You get a update and an icon that tells you there's updates in the dock. It never happens through a web page or on a browser. One of the security researchers is saying that the lack of being harassed by malware, like Windows users are, makes a lot of Apple users vulnerable because they've never really been witnessing this type of attack before. So they think it's safe, and add to the fact that too many Apple users think that malware does not exist for their system, it increases the risk. So remember, this is fake. If you do go on the web and see something like this, do not go there. Go into your system updates and check for updates there. That's where it comes from. Never from a page that you'll see on your screen. So be careful, because apparently it's becoming big and bigger all the time. So that means a lot of people are actually falling for it on the Apple computers. If you are like my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.